Hello, my friends. It's Emma here. Have you ever felt stuck? Like there's a world you just can't reach? That was me before English. Today, I want to share how learning English opened doors I never knew existed. It transformed my life in ways I never could have imagined. And here's the truth. This isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about seeing the world in a new way and finding opportunities you didn't even know were possible. When I was a child, English felt like a locked door. The sounds were strange, the words were heavy, and every lesson felt like a struggle. I remember thinking, why do I need this language? I will never use it. But then something changed. One teacher, kind, patient, and full of hope, showed me that English was more than grammar rules and tests. She told me, English is a bridge. It can take you to people, places, and ideas you've never seen before. That simple idea planted a seed in my heart. Still, the beginning was not easy. My first attempts at speaking were clumsy and often embarrassing. I remember trying to say, "Can I borrow your pen?" But I said it so badly that my classmates laughed. My face turned red, and I wanted to hide. But little by little, I realized something important. Mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning. Each wrong word was a step closer to getting it right. And that's when my new world of English truly began. As my English improved, something incredible happened. Opportunities began to open. One of the first big moments was academic. Because of English, I was able to win a scholarship for my studies. Without it, I never would have been chosen. I still remember writing my application essay in English, sentence by sentence, checking every word. It wasn't perfect, but it was enough to change my future. But English didn't just help with school or work. It gave me friendships I never expected. I joined online communities, met people from different countries, and suddenly the world felt smaller. We laughed at the same jokes, shared music, and learned about each other's cultures all through English. Travel also became a new adventure. The first time I visited an English-speaking country, I was nervous, but when I ordered food, asked for directions, or even chatted with locals, I felt alive. English was no longer a subject in a book. It was a real key to connection. And beyond people and places, English unlocked knowledge. Movies, books, articles, even songs, they were no longer mysteries. I could learn from the best universities, enjoy films without subtitles, and explore ideas from around the world. English became more than a language. It became a passport, opening doors to study, to friendship, to culture, and to knowledge I could never reach before. Living and working in an English-speaking environment was one of the biggest tests of my life. At first, it was overwhelming. I misunderstood conversations, missed jokes, and sometimes felt like an outsider. There were days I came home frustrated, thinking maybe I'll never truly belong. But slowly I began to adapt. I asked more questions, listened more carefully, and stopped being afraid of saying, "Could you repeat that, please?" Each mistake became less painful, and each small success became a reason to keep going. Then came the triumphs. I gave my first presentation in English. My hands were shaking, but when I finished, the applause was real. I joined team discussions, wrote reports, and even started helping others who were struggling. These victories built my confidence day by day. With confidence came freedom. English gave me the chance to follow passions I couldn't pursue before. Reading books by authors from around the world, joining international workshops, and even teaching others how to use the language that once scared me. Through it all, I discovered something important. English wasn't just helping me communicate, it was helping me grow into a braver, stronger version of myself. English gave me more than communication. It changed the way I saw the world. Through English, I could listen to voices from every corner of the globe. I discovered how people live, think, and dream in places far from my own. I learned that there is no single way to see life. There are thousands. And that shift opened my heart to diversity and respect. It also changed how I saw myself. Before, I felt small and limited, afraid to step outside my comfort zone. But as my English grew stronger, so did my identity. I wasn't just Emma from a small town. I became Emma who could connect across borders, share ideas, and stand with confidence in any room. And the change didn't stop with me. My family and community felt it too. I became the one who could translate a form, guide a conversation, or explain something new from a book or a movie. English allowed me to bring knowledge home, to support the people I love, and to inspire others to try learning too. That's when I realized a language is never just words. It is perspective, power, and possibility, not only for the person who learns it, but for everyone around them. Today, English is no longer something I fear. It's a part of who I am. But my journey isn't finished. I still learn new words, explore new expressions, and sometimes even make mistakes. And that's okay, because language isn't a destination, it's a lifelong companion. If you're learning English or any new language, here's my advice. Start small, be patient with yourself, and don't let mistakes stop you. Every error is proof that you are moving forward. Speak out loud, even when you're shy. Listen, even when it feels difficult. And most of all, keep going. Because language is more than communication. It's transformation. It opens doors you don't even know exist yet. It gives you confidence, friendships, opportunities, and a new way to see the world. English changed my life, and it can change yours too. So keep learning, keep believing, and remember, every word you practice is a step toward a brighter, bigger world.